is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. You guys are probably wondering what I'm doing in a white F80 M3. Well, if you guys have been watching the channel for a long time, you know whose car this is. If you haven't, this is actually my friend Greg's car. And the simple answer to why I'm driving his car is because I miss driving a fast car, and I decided to trade my Secure Orange F80 with him. So he's driving my car, I'm driving his car. If you guys don't know, his car makes like 750 wheel because it's on pure stage 2 pluses, fully 85 tune, all the good stuff. So I just wanted to drive his car for a little while. I probably haven't driven this car in like 2 years now, I want to say. It's good to get behind the wheel of it because this thing is just crazy fast, to be honest. So the plan for today is the guys and I are going to meet up for the first time in a long time. We never really like get together to go to any car meets or anything, but we're gonna go to a little cars and coffee thing that our local BMW club puts together. I'm driving Greg's car, Greg's driving mine. Audemars gonna be driving his Ready 46 M3, and my cousin George is gonna be driving my blue E46 M3. We're gonna meet up at the car wash, get our cars washed, one of those touchless car washes because it's pretty quick, and then we're gonna head to the car meet. So let's go meet the guys at the car wash. By the way, my neighbors definitely hated me this morning because this damn car is freaking loud, and the houses in our neighborhood are pretty close together. So this was one morning that they definitely regretted living there. Just pulled up to the touchless car wash. This thing's pretty cool. Looks like George already got my car washed and he's waiting for us there. I love this car wash. It takes like a few minutes and it does a pretty good job actually. And you don't have to worry about any brushes or anything scratching up your car. And for once, guys, I am not drinking a Red Bull. I'm drinking a lemon San Pellegrino. These things are pretty good. Honestly, it probably has more sugar in here than a Red Bull. Honestly, Greg's car has some pretty cool things. This is like a little vent gauge right here. This is a graph that shows you everything. You can check like oil temperature, coolant temperature, your intake temperature, even exhaust temperature right here. Obviously battery voltage, but you can check your boost pressure when you're under load. I don't know if that's pretty accurate, but it tells you your horsepower and foot-pounds of torque, air fuel ratios, all kinds of cool stuff. See right here, it recorded the highest horsepower, which is 849, and then the highest foot-pounds of torque, 703. I don't know how true that stuff is, but if it is, that's pretty cool. We got Georgie here with my E46 M3. He got her all washed up, and there's a for sale sign that I'm gonna stick on my F80.
What you talking about? This thing's for sale.
Hell no. By the way, these touchless car washes suck at drying the car. You can't even tell because the car's white, but it doesn't dry that well, but it washes pretty well. This thing was pretty dirty. It's a good thing George brought that towel. He actually ended up breaking his front lip, so there's no front lip on there for right now. I think he put new front mount intakes on there. He used to have blue ones, but now they're red. All right, guys, Audemars got his car washed. All the cars are washed. We're gonna head to the car meet right now. This guy barely fits in that E46. You should be driving this F80, but what are you gonna do? This thing is so obnoxious. We're back.
We're back. It's been a minute, but we're back.
There's gonna be a lot of shit talking today, but we made it to the cars and coffee, guys. We're gonna go ahead and grab some actual coffee for once.
Roasted coffee.
Roasted cars and coffee. We got a bunch of cool cars here. What is this? S50 swap D30? What you think, Ryan?
Potential. Definitely has potential.
Possibly. This interior is pretty sick on this E30. What do you want?
I couldn't find a grommet
for that
wiring harness or put a rag. So the wiring harness is a good cut.
No, it's so there's no water going through.
That ain't absorbing water.
It's
dirty.
It's dirty? Yeah, Audi, a few Teslas. I don't know why those Teslas are here. I'm tired of seeing Teslas.
Ryan, can I pet your dog?
Can I pet that dog? This is pretty cool. If you're getting
See that scratch on the bumper? I would have sold it after that.
Oh wow. That's why you didn't buy an M2.
The only reason I haven't bought this yet.
Oh, okay. When they're built,
said 3 inches.
when they're built, they look good though. Come on, Greg. You gotta talk shit. Come on. You gotta be the asshole in the videos. I
Bro,
can't be that much of an asshole. You do realize that, right?
If only you caught that.
What'd you say?
Guy in the red walked by.
Which cars do we avoid?
I'm like, he's making them at night.
Oh my god. Dude. Yeah, dude.
Rev it.
You got our cars posted right there. What are you laughing at? Huh? Is there something wrong with my car that you're laughing?
gorgeous.
Let's go check your piece.
Yeah, look at mine.
Oh, Johnny.
Gorgeous.
Johnny. I can step on these exhaust tips, bro. Look at how much these stick out, dude.
That's perfect.
You know what you could do? Put some kind of a canard or some shit. I'm
That's
sure they
exactly,
sell,
yeah.
like a carbon canard.
No, they sell diffusers.
Or that. Or just call up Helen Keller and tell her to help you out with this.
Did Helen Keller help you to put this on? Stevie Wonder could have done a better job putting that muffler on.
Why y'all hating?
Hating, bro, it's not supposed to stick
for
out
the
that
good
much.
of
I
the
don't know.
Here, this one right here. Example, man.
Yeah,
That's how it's supposed to be.
because 3 inches is a lot.
Bro, that's huge.
Tell me the story about the headlights. How'd you get them so clean?
What's wrong with the
Word
headlights?
for word, I want verbatim.
Didn't you say some acoustic kit from
Oh yeah, bro.
Wait, what?
Some kid was selling them on
No,
Facebook.
you gotta say the whole
The
story.
headlights?
What kind of individual was he?
No, he wasn't a. What the fuck?
He wasn't a.
Hey, these are clean though.
No, bro, they
Yeah,
look brand new.
dude. He freaking.
Oh, were they brand new?
No, he sanded them down and then.
Oh, these are your original headlights.
No. These are off of another E60 M5. Dude, these things they were keyed. Like someone came and keyed them, and it was off of his dad's car. And like,
He polished them or he painted them?
Oh, bro, he like sanded the shit out of them, and then he baked them, and then he did like what do you do? Ceramic coats.
Was he making grilled cheese sandwiches in the middle of the night? Jonathan, give me a little tiny one. That's the only thing I approve of.
Still born out.
Hey, John, don't worry. Be that guy. It's okay.
Just don't come back again though.
Sounds good.
Is this car lowered? Alright guys, car meet's all done.
Perfect.
Basically.
Hey, wrap that shit. There we go.
Somewhere
We can go somewhere to eat.
Chuck E. Cheese.
He's going to Gotham City.
You think he knows the penguin?
Maybe.
The penguin?
He probably knows him. Alright guys, we're heading out from the car meet right now. We're gonna go ahead, grab some food, and see what the rest of the day brings us. Hey dude, that matches you, dude. You should buy it.
Yeah. For sale.
We got all our food. Oh. Hey, put it back in there.
You gonna eat that?
Put it back in there. I'll eat it with the finger in there, Alright guys, we are at the end of today's video. I know the quality changed a little bit because I'm using my iPhone. I forgot my camera somewhere. I'm still driving Greg's car. Brought it to a little parking lot area. I'm probably gonna get a few pictures and then throw it at the end of this video for you guys. But yeah, I really want to get back into making videos. I know I say that every single time. This was just another short little video of us just messing around, having fun, going to a car meet. I know we talk a lot of shit, but we don't really mean any of the stuff we actually say. Don't take anything to heart. We're just that type of people. We always constantly talk shit, especially on each other. So yeah, without further ado, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what you guys think about the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.